Hello everyone, we are Team Malibu and we have made FinPilot, which transform financial transaction into explainable financial intelligence using AI. So let's dive into it. So we have our dashboard, like we have upgraded. Let's try demo data, and after fetching all the data, you can see the dashboard has currently showing all the cash flows, transaction, and even the graphs and better visualization. After that, in the settings, we have also included currencies in different variables and along with time for the different time zones such that user can have at any place and time. Along, we have also added one dark mode feature such that user can use in night or whatever he feels like comfortable using it. The goal section, a person can set his goal or any ambitious product which he needs to be buy in future or the upcoming days. For example, if I want to buy PS5, I will set an amount, date, money, and even the category in which a person can set his category on which the output of that feature will be aligned such that he can manage all his payments in upcoming days. After creating goals, a person can have a visualized data on which how much days and the investment he needs to do in very easy and practical method. In transaction, we can have our all cash flow regarding transaction, upcoming and outgoing transaction to all the company sectors and investments. In forecast, we can have our future based patterns and goals prediction, like here on all the goals basis for the companies and optimized baseline. In decision, a particular finance decision can be made. And in the chatbot, like person can have has is all financial advice using Gemini and all the suggested things. In the privacy center, we have added export my data such that if any wants a copy of physical data or printable form, he can have this all data and all the transaction in very organized, peaceful manner. If someone needs to delete his account, he can have it permanent delete option and such that later on he can also do Google sign in and authentication right here. For example, if I have chosen Meet Tomar, so it will goes redirect to the log and it will redirect to the login page where Firebase authentication is